Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's Andy here with another brand new unboxing and review. As you can see here, this is the brand new release from Kotobukiya, DC comic Bishoujo statue, Black Canary. I am so excited to be here with you all checking out this brand new statue. Alright, let's check out the box. Here is the front. Same old style with the rest of other DC Bishoujo statue boxes. On the back of the box, you can see the front and the back of Black Canary. On the bottom, it's the statue bio. And Raven Bishoujo is coming soon, and you can pre-order it now. On the other side of this box is the complete drawing of this figure. And here is the top, and here is the bottom. Alright, let's do this. Let's check it out. Let's check out this figure and see if it's worth the $60 price tag. Okay, let's see. That it's it. That it's all I'm getting. Wow, the first thing I notice is the body. My, oh my, her body is sexy. Amazing body sculpture, that is for sure. And look, she is giving us a wink. Hey, what's up, girl? How you doing? I mean, wow, beautiful, right on the money. The eyebrows, the lips are perfect, no blemish at all. From the tip of her hand to the very bottom of her shoes, I did not find any defects. The sculpture and the coloring are amazing, including her blonde hair. They are all beautifully sculpted. Just look at that waves. Amazing. On the bottom of the display stand, you will see a screw that is holding Black Canary in place. This statue is designed by Shinya Yamashita, a well-known Japanese illustrator and game designer. I really like the jacket and the latex suit. It is fascinating how much detail they embedded into this statue. Here is the jacket zipper. It is so detailed and no blemish at all. This statue is really beautiful. Her body is the attention grabber. I almost got drunk on her amazing long legs. If you like DC female characters, this is a must-have statue. It's definitely worth the money. I was debating whether I should get it. Now I got it, and I'm so glad that I got it. This Bishoujo statue, it's 10 out of 10 to me. Her pose, it's an excellent presentation of this character. I have been sitting here trying to find some negative things to say about this, but there is none. Maybe and just maybe the next Black Canary Kotobukiya make, and they can make it without any clothes on. I'm just kidding. Alright, so what do you think? Do you like this figure? Let me know in the comment down below. And thanks for watching. This is Andy. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.